What's going on, everybody? It's your man with the plan, Shane Man 20. Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day so far. So if you guys are following up with me on last week's video, you guys will know that I showed you guys everything that I had bought for the car, for the truck, and as well as some of the additions that I have made for the channel. That's right, I decided it was best to try and update some of the stuff I was using, added a couple more GoPros to this entire montage of crap, and added a GoPro Hero 6 Black to the lineup. That is currently what I'm using in today's vlog. Hopefully the content is looking pretty good because I'm actually really excited about this camera and using it and using all the new features that are going to come with it. All right, so we left off with the car. It is currently on ramps right now. We are going to be taking off the factory catback exhaust system, and we are going to be installing this awesome Nameless Performance Catback exhaust. Now, I actually got this with their muffler delete package. It's basically no mufflers anyways, and there are three options that you can get. You can get 5-inch mufflers, you can get 4-inch mufflers, or you can get no mufflers. This is what I opted for, was no mufflers, and I got their 4-inch double-walled tips. They offer a 3.5-inch single-wall tip, they offer a 3.5-inch double-wall tip, and a 4-inch double-wall tip. As you guys can see, that's what I opted for. Now, to be brutally honest, I would really like to have a 4-inch single-wall tip. I think single-wall tips actually look really good on these Subarus. But you know what? I'll take what I can get. If later on down the line, you know, Nameless, if you guys are watching this, I would really like to see a 4-inch single wall tip. And if you guys can make that, I would definitely be considering to purchase that just for this car. Now, along with the kit, you also get all the mounting hardware and stuff that you need, including a new gasket, which will go right here. And I also ordered some hangers. Now, they actually offer them on their website, and they go through in detail at the bottom of the listing for their catback and any other muffler or Axleback exhaust systems that they offer. They at least tell you what they recommend. If you're going to be doing some light road use, you can just get 2 and be fine with it. You can also get 4 if you think you're going to be doing a little bit more, or you can opt for all 5 to replace all of them if you're going to be doing some extreme stuff. Now, to be brutally honest, I'm not going to be doing a lot of extreme stuff, but I thought since I was going to be under there, why not just go on ahead and replace all of them? That's kind of my thought process on this. So I figured, what the heck, go on ahead and replace all of them and it'll be done and over with. But at the bare minimum, they at least recommend you get 2 of them. That'll at least keep the tips from hanging really low on these cars, because that can tend to be a bit of an issue. These will actually raise it up a little bit higher and make it kind of look a lot nicer and give it a nice fit and finish for the car. And also, I got a set of exhaust removal pliers. I'm pretty excited about having these. I should have had these last time when I did the exhaust system on my truck, but no big deal. It's going to be all good. I'm going to have a lot of fun trying to install this. And also with that, in this video, we are also going to be installing their front license plate delete, and I'm really excited to get this on the car. So with that all being said, guys, I'm going to put the GoPro on a tripod, and I'm just going to basically do a time lapse like last time. Not going to do much talking in this, or we're going to be walking through everything that I'm doing. I might kind of break it down in sections and let you guys know as I'm taking stuff off what I've done, and kind of walk through that. But if you guys have any questions throughout the video, please don't hesitate to ask. I will answer the best of my abilities and get back with you in a timely manner. If I don't know anything, I'll let you know and try and see if I can't find some answers for you. All right, see you there. Woo! Now, it's only fair to you guys that I do a before exhaust clip, so that way you guys have an understanding of what it sounds like stock and then what it sounds like with the new exhaust system on it. So let me go do that real quick. let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so we have the factory catback exhaust system off, as you can see, and now we're going to put on the new one. Just want to throw out some quick points to note here. Now, these things are a pain in the butt to get off. No matter how you boil it down, they suck. Getting the nuts off is actually really straightforward, but as far as breaking it loose, because I don't know if you guys can tell, it has like a little taper right there, and it can be a bit of an issue, but otherwise it's not like completely impossible. But I was able to break it off, and then getting these off wasn't too hard. This one was a bit more of a pain since it was on the top side, but it ended up breaking off anyways. But not to worry, because I already have new hardware. No big deal. And before anybody asks, I am actually keeping the factory exhaust system just in the event that for whatever reason, if I need to put it back on, I have it. And getting new gaskets and stuff for it should not be an issue whatsoever. And while we're at it, I want to show you guys just how clean it really is underneath here. It's actually not bad at all. I don't see very much rust, very little at the absolute most. And for something that's, you know, 4 years old, it's actually pretty clean down here, like really nice. So they definitely were not, you know, lying when they said it was actually really clean underneath here. So I am very, very impressed. And with all that said, I am taking these off, as we said. So I've already got them off. I've got to get that one off next, but I'll do that off camera. But anyways, going to get the new catback exhaust system on the car, and I think this thing is going to sound awesome. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the mid pipe put in 2 sections. That's how it comes. So as you guys can see way down there, yonder way, we've got it all fastened down. Now I haven't done the middle part, as you guys can see there. That's a V-clamp. I haven't tightened that down just yet. I am going to get that into position eventually once I get everything hooked up and in place. And then after that, everything will get all snugged down, and we will do the first startup of the new exhaust system. Alright, going to fire it up for the first time. We'll see just how I react to it. Oh boy, I am getting really excited. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. That sounds so good. guys, so today is Sunday afternoon. Got the exhaust all finished up. That thing sounds absolutely magnificent. Went to a meet last night, everybody loved it. Now on to doing the nameless front license plate delete. That thing is going to look absolutely sick on this car. Like, I am excited to put this on here. Now, the only reason I didn't do it last night was because it was getting late, it was getting dark. Didn't want to try and film in low light. So you know what? I figured I would just wait until today to get it done. And so we're just going to put this on here real quick. Hopefully it won't take too long and it's not too remotely complicated. They give you everything you need. You get your license plate delete and you get all the hardware you need. And then you got to provide the tools. Unless you are the tool. So anyways, let's get to it. Well guys, it's finally installed. This thing looks dope. Like, I'm really enjoying how this thing looks. Just trying to line up the screws just a little bit. Kind of make it look somewhat clean on the front. Looks absolutely awesome. I love that. That looks great. Nice little finishing touch to this weekend. Alright guys, well that wraps up this video on the installation of the new exhaust on the car as well as the front license plate delete. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because I really do appreciate it, guys. I'm putting a lot of effort in trying to make these videos just a little bit better for you guys, and I hope that they're turning out the way you guys expect them to. Also, at the same time, if you guys are new to this channel or you just haven't really done it yet, please hit that subscribe button because I promise you guys, you do not want to miss out on the great content that I'm about to bring to this channel. We still got wheels and tires to put on this thing. We still got some little things that we want to do with the car. And also, don't forget about the truck content that we've got coming to the channel. It's going to be a really exciting summer this year. I cannot wait to get this stuff done. It's going to be absolutely exciting. And do not forget about that notification bell if you're going to hit the subscribe button because you don't want to be left out in the dark, guys. You just don't. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, and then right after that, hit that notification bell so you're not left out in the dark. With all that said, guys, hopefully you have a fantastic day and take it easy.